Hi, this is Puneet and I am a professional front-end developer. I help your designs, your Figma designs or PSD designs to convert to actual front-end coding websites. I primarily use JavaScript. I prioritize React.js to build front-end development websites. I have worked with a lot of animations, GSAP, and a quality of libraries to give you the output which your designer has given. I also work on Next.js, which is a latest tool for front-end developers. And I also help you plot graphs or any sort of that thing with using d3.js or any chart library. Data visualization is the future. I have a strong command over CSS, HTML, and React. I provide a one-to-one meeting, a 24/7 support, and a responsive, clean and sleek UI as per your designs. I make sure the state management using Redux or any other tool which we are using is in place and the website is smooth. The user experience, the user interface has to be clean, sleek, and smooth. That's what I'm sure. Make your website come live. Thank you.